Hi, I'm Karen Perdue from the Museum of Life and Science in Durham, North Carolina. Today we are investigating clouds in the Explore Science Earth and Space Toolkit. There are 4 learning objectives for this activity. They are: clouds influence Earth's weather and climate, clouds form when individual water molecules combine into droplets, NASA researchers study clouds in order to better understand and predict how Earth's climate is changing, and citizen science programs collect and share the data with researchers that collaborate with NASA. If you received a toolkit, then you have all of the materials you need for this activity. If not, you can go to nisnet.org where everything is available for download. So the materials you need for this activity are isopropyl alcohol, a 2-liter bottle, a fizz keeper, a laser pointer, a pencil, the Investigate the Sky Today worksheet, and the Observing Clouds background information sheet. Some advanced preparation for this activity: you'll need to put the isopropyl alcohol in about 10 minutes prior to starting this activity, and you only need a few drops, less than a teaspoon. And now you can try this. You'll close the top up and have your visitor start to pump the fizz keeper. Have them pump it about 50 times or so. And what's going on is they're increasing the pressure inside this 2-liter bottle, which also increases the temperature, which you can see on the thermometer on the front of the bottle. As the pressure increases, it's going to be harder and harder to pump, so you may have to help some of your younger visitors. Okay. When you're ready, you might want to do a countdown with your visitors, as this can be kind of startling. So 3, 2, 1. And now you can use your laser pointer to show where the cloud is visible inside the bottle. You can either leave the fizz keeper open or closed, and it's up to you to play with it to see what keeps the best cloud. A note about safety: isopropyl alcohol is flammable, so be sure to do this activity in a well-ventilated area. Also remind visitors to never point a laser at somebody else and to always point it down through the bottle. NASA scientists study the clouds from above, but need help from citizen scientists to study the clouds from below. So an extension to this activity is to complete the Investigate the Sky Today worksheet, where visitors can identify the types of clouds that they see in their sky today, draw the clouds that they see, and estimate the cloud cover. For those visitors that want to investigate even further, you can give them the Globe Observer app postcard found in your toolkit, where they can join a community of participants working with NASA to collect important scientific data about clouds. Thank you for watching this training video on investigating clouds. Have fun facilitating the other activities in your Earth and Space Toolkit.